Handles and other accessories are the perfect finishing touches to your fence system. Our Easy Grip gate handle is ergonomically designed and works with any type of gate. The kit includes one handle, 2 screw caps, and hardware. Boerboel hardware is designed for use on many different types of gates, including vinyl, aluminum, and wood. So check the hardware and material you're drilling into to determine the drive type and drill size. The hardware shown in this video may be slightly different than your kit, depending on the application. For this project, you'll need a drill with an appropriate size drill bit, an appropriate drive bit, a pencil, and safety glasses. Once you've made sure that the hinges are fully installed and the gate is aligned, place the handle at the desired height and pre-drill holes into the gate. Align your handle over the pre-drilled holes and secure it in place with 2 screws. Finally, align the screw cap slot with the raised groove in the handle and push to secure the 2 screw caps. For more information or to download written instructions for the Boerboel Easy Grip gate handle, visit boerboelgatesystems.com.